to the Let's Talk Crypto podcast, where we discuss the latest Bitcoin, blockchain, and digital asset news.
Hi everybody, Wes Carlson here. I hope you're all well and had a good week. It's Saturday, the 25th of May, 2019, and I'm back with our weekly recap of the Bitcoin and crypto space. As always, I'll start with a quick price update. The market has largely stood its ground or made positive moves, with Bitcoin currently sitting at just shy of $8,000. For those of you wondering, that's about a 10% gain week on week according to CoinMarketCap. Ethereum is at about $250, XRP 38 cents, and Litecoin $94. From a fundamental perspective, I can't remember the last time things were looking this strong. Every day we are seeing reports come out of new merchants accepting Bitcoin, companies creating new use cases, and prominent personalities giving Bitcoin the nod. Will we get the exuberant 2017 FOMO all over again? Time will tell. The first news piece that I thought I would share today is epic. AT&T, the conglomerate communication company, has just announced they would be accepting crypto as a means of payment for their clients. This is huge. Let's not forget that AT&T were pioneers of the telephone back in the day as the Bell Telephone Company. What do you think? Should I call Charlie Munger up and let him know my phone call is being paid for with his so-called rat poison? Go figure. The next piece is quite interesting, as it could be signaling a new trend. Frank Mueller has launched a functional Bitcoin watch, and it has such a cool name: Encrypto. I'm looking at a picture of it right now, and I must admit, it's stunning. They call it functional because it has a Bitcoin wallet QR code on the face. This means you can accept payment from anyone by merely letting them scan your watch. The package comes with a special USB stick containing all your private keys, and of course, they've been generated all offline, and all the usual security precautions have been taken. The piece is limited to only 500 for men and 500 for women, and ranges from $10,000 to $50,000. I suppose an Apple Watch could do the same thing, but it just looks so good. Moving on. This next news item is a follow-up on the so-called Facebook coin. It was rumored to be in the works, and now it turns out that it's less rumor and more fact, dubbed Project Libra. And internally, apparently they're referring to it as Global Coin. Could they have not made it sound less Big Brother-like? According to a Financial Times report, Facebook has been in talks with both Gemini and Coinbase, presumably to offer listing or exchange services for its coin. Ironically, Gemini was started by the pals of Mark Zuckerberg, that is, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. And I say pals with massive inverted commas for those who know the history between them. On the positive side, this will likely expose more than 2 billion people to digital money in a way that will be very close to the user experience of the real thing, namely Bitcoin. Although, hang on a minute, massive caveat: no censorship resistance, no privacy, not trustless, not unconfiscatable, certainly not permissionless. What about decentralized? Nope, that's gone too. They're setting up an entity or foundation in Switzerland. I think I'll let you form your own opinion on that. Right now, everyone is bullish about Bitcoin and crypto. It's great, especially after a tough 2018. It's great to see things we were all excited about when we first discovered Bitcoin finally come to fruition, like real adoption by merchants so we can spend our Bitcoin wherever we want, features such as Lightning Network that will enable Bitcoin to truly scale, and new gadgets such as watches functioning as Bitcoin wallets. I have a feeling there's a lot more to come. The second half of 2019 is nearly here, and things have only just started to heat up. For those of you that didn't catch it, earlier this week we released a podcast with a guest, Frisco Danconia. Frisco comes all the way from Ghana, Africa, and he gave us a bit of insight into the blockchain and cryptocurrency scene. Please find a link in the description below. So I've saved the best for last. Did you know the Bitcoin halving is in less than 12 months? What a ride it's been since the last one. Time has really flown. For those who don't know, approximately every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin produced or released is cut in half. So prior to 2016, it was 25 BTC every 10 minutes. Right now it's 12.5 BTC. And from about mid next year, it will reduce again to about 6.25 BC. If you haven't begun accumulating, it might not be a bad idea to start now. This is not financial advice and merely intended for informative and educational purposes and all that lovely good stuff. You know what I mean. Thanks for listening to Let's Talk Crypto. I hope you've enjoyed this crypto market recap, and until next time, I wish you the best possible weekend.